Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Roblox on PC or laptop. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to install Roblox on a computer or laptop, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. Today I will show you two ways, so first of all go to the roblox.com website and log in to your account or create a new account. Next we need to select the game that we liked and click on it. For example, I will choose this one. It opens and you need to click on the play button. Next we wait a couple of seconds and click download and install Roblox. Great, we have instructions for installation. It is important to note that the file can swine and you will see it either in the upper right corner or in the lower left, depending on the browser you are using. If you do not see the installation file, then go to downloads on your computer and you will find everything there. So I open the file and need to wait a few more seconds until the Roblox is installed. Next the game will start automatically, or you can log in via the desktop or the play button on the side. Enter your login and password and play. There is also a second way. Click on the Windows logo in the left corner and open Microsoft Store. Then we need to enter Roblox and select it from the list. As you can see here, it can also be downloaded. After installation you can open it on your desktop. These are simple and working ways. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.